Okay, so here I am at my boat looking at the gel coat that they have repaired. Those big scratches that were here, I don't even know where they were. They did such a fabulous job of exact matching this paint. This isn't a new boat, so it was a tough deal, but they matched it exactly. And you can't even tell where the scratches were. And they polished the whole side up. So hats off to Blackline in Sydney here on Vancouver Island. They did a fabulous job on the gel coat. And they buffed this whole side to make her so gleaming pretty, and the other side too. So she's gonna look nice in the water. Thank you, boys.